Hello and welcome to today's market outlook session. So, as we anticipated yesterday, before this move happened in the New York session, we saw this as liquidity. So, what we can see right here, because our objective was up here, the Friday high, we had an SMT, we had a CSD right there. As soon as we closed this hourly candle below these up close candles right here, we had a retest of it, and then we had that big flush to the downside. We created an SMT again with the ES, and from that point on we saw the price go up to the main objective, which was the Friday high. So this price action right here, it's nothing unusual, because before it goes up we need to go down and vice versa. So what are we looking for today? So we have big news coming in at 8:30. In Swedish time it's 2:30 at the afternoon. So it's going to be a very volatile session today, I think. But from what we can see right now, where we are in the price, we are still bullish. We have a bullish bias. And the one thing I can see directly is, this fair value gap that's created right here. So if I want to go long, I need the price to create a discount array. So that would be either that we go back to this fair value gap and create a new order block to the upside so that we can ride this wave to the upside. Or if we are going to reverse, well, right now we have broken this high, and this for me looks like an anchor point that I can go from. If we are going to go down, we need to, this hourly candle needs to close like this, or at least bullish, and then we need to see a close below this bullish candle so that we can confirm that we have maybe shifted in the trend. And after that, instead of just taking a trade blindly, then we would want to wait for another premium array to be created so that we can confirm that the trend has shifted and we can take some high probability trades. So right now, this where the price is right now, I can't touch it. I can't do anything because I need more information. But we can already see that yesterday, after this big push to the downside, we reversed and closed above these series of down close candles. So that means that we can utilize it. You can see that this candle came back, touched it, and I'm pretty sure that we would find some good trades right there. But because it was very late, the market just closed, so that's why we didn't take anything. But if we are going to have this in mind, that we already tested a newly formed order block, a bullish order block, and that we traded directly away from it, and we start to create a small trend, that means that we are bullish for the meantime, unless we get otherwise. And if we look at the daily, we have this all-time high that I've been speaking about for the past few days, that because of the SMTs that got created twice on the ES, it's very unlikely that NQ doesn't take this all-time high also. So I think the news would be utilized to, push the price up fast so that we can take these all-time highs. And from that point on, we just want to see what will happen next week when the Fed releases their rate cuts, or if we're just going to be, at the same level of the interest rates. So it's going to be a very, very interesting week. And of course, if you are interested in, taking part of our trade sessions live and see what I'm thinking at the moment, when I take the trade, where I put the stop losses, where I go out and why, and, just get a in-depth insight on trades professionally, then you can join our private group, Tick Hunter Pro, and you will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.